Hello, in front of me I've got BYD SEAL 5. In this video I'll show you how to pair smartphone with car via Bluetooth. In the beginning, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap and hold on Bluetooth. Now on your smartphone, enter Bluetooth settings and select your smartphone. Confirm pairing, allow, and it's done. Now you can also connect Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.